Hey everyone, Hash here from hashtag. Now I came with a piece of new information regarding the Huawei P40 series and HMS. According to Vice President of the Huawei Consumer Business Group Headset Division said that the graphene battery for the Huawei P40 series was false. While it was only a reference to another website, that was a misled tweet from Huawei France's official account. From here we can confirm there is no graphene battery in Huawei P40 series. According to the latest report, Huawei has started testing the Huawei Mobile Services and HMS core application that aim to replace the use of Google Mobile Services. Also, it revealed that both HMS and GMS can work side by side. Moreover, an HMS suite can also be installed in the older Huawei or Honor devices certified with Google services. Huawei P40 Pro integrated with a 10x optical zoom lens and will be the first in a smartphone with a new design, improved camera technologies, better performance and hardware specs. Will use Android 10 based EMUI 10 and not the self-developed operating system Harmony OS. The successor of the P30 Pro should first come with a 5500 mAh battery, also have a 50-watt fast charging technology developed by Huawei, further powered by Kirin 990 SoC with a 5G modem. According to rumors, the P40 series will adopt a large waterfall 6.5-inch AMOLED screen with a dual punch hole design, which will feature a refresh rate of 120Hz and 2K plus resolution, also support HDR content. On the back, the BOM will probably contain 4 sensors. Let me know your thoughts about the Huawei P40 series in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Huawei P40 Pro in the coming days. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thank you for watching it. I'm Ashkar from hashtag.